Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving you own the device. This is why Apple requires credentials and documentation. Once you have your Apple ID and proof of purchase, sign into your account page and verify the device appears on your devices list. Make sure you can receive email or messages on the recovery contact. This speeds validation. If you cannot access the account, prepare to use Apple's account recovery. It takes time, so begin it now and monitor progress frequently. Next, use Apple's official tools. Find My and iCloud show activation lock status and options. If the device is linked to your Apple ID, remove it from your account remotely or follow the in-app prompts. If you cannot, submit an activation lock removal request to Apple support with the serial number and proof of purchase. This is the sanction path. Also contact the carrier if the device was under contract or reported lost. They may need to clear records before Apple can help. Finally, follow Apple support's final steps and wait for confirmation. Once they remove activation lock, you'll be able to set up the device normally. When finished, enable two-factor authentication and a strong passcode to prevent future lockouts. If the request is denied, double-check documentation and contact support again, or schedule an appointment at an Apple store or authorized service provider. Bring original proof of purchase. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.